Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today we're answering your questions, and I'm here with a good friend, Michael Uadiale of Smeed CPA. Michael, I'm interested. How can we pay less taxes?
Paying less taxes is a function of what the law allows you to do. My advice to your listeners would be to ensure they are maximizing what the code gives to them. The tax code should be seen as your friend. For most listeners, I do think one of the major ways they can reduce their taxes is to maximize their deductions. For example, the Home Office continues to be one of the most underutilized deduction when it comes to tax reduction. And this is because most taxpayers have been made to think or believe this is something that we create for them, a red flag or an audit flag in their tax return. Now, you have to learn how to use the code. I have an acronym in terms of tax reduction, which I call BOND. And that whole BOND is tied to Section 162 of the tax code, which says what makes something to be tax deductible. The B stands for it must have a business use or purpose. Okay? And so being able to position your facts in a way that allows it to become a business use is extremely important. So I'll give an example. I'm putting on a shirt to be on this podcast. If I truly care to want to make the cost of this shirt to become a deductible business expense, then I must be ready to do what the government says. If I go ahead and I put on the cuff of this long sleeve shirt this acronym or the insignia of our practice, I have just changed this shirt from being a clothing to becoming a uniform. The O stands for ordinary, or what in the tax code is called, is this needful? Ordinary is important, meaning is this typical for this line of business? All right. And then the N, stands for it is necessary. Okay. Anything that helps you to increase your business income or reduce your cost is needful to grow your business. And lastly, you being able to document that transaction. And so most people, if they can follow those 4 steps of B for business, O for ordinary, N for necessary, and D document, then you are like 90% there in terms of how to reduce your taxes.
Thank you, Michael. Really appreciate your guidance as we answer your questions.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult